All right, everyone, check this out. This is a product from Shinwa knives. Okay, it has a 4-inch blade. It's not Damascus steel, but it has a print on it like Damascus steel. Then it has blue hardware, blue steel belt clip, and blue screws, and thumb released, or what you call that, finger release. And on the other side, it has some kind of Japanese writing, but it was made in China. Okay, there's the box, and they call it the Shinigami pocket knife. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Alrighty. And let's see here. Okay. Forgive me and my breathing, my heavy breathing. I'm just getting over COVID and pneumonia. So anyways, but I like the design of it. It has quick release up here or down here, as you all know how to do it. You know, like so, with a little much more of a flick. Back away. And it's open quickly. And let me zoom in, show you this raindrop pattern on the blade itself. The blade is 4 inches long. It looks nice. Some online sellers sell it for $25 plus $10 to $13 to ship it, plus tax. And then they get you with a 99-cent protection fee. Okay. So if you get lost or damaged, they'll ship out another one. No charge. That's some places. The famous online stores. And let me get it into focus. Wow. I don't know if that's me or... Oh well. There we go. It looks nice. Okay. And I got it from an eBay seller. It was $25 with free shipping. Okay. So I'm steady paying $40-something total. You pay the $25 and get it shipped to you for free. Alrighty. Let me tell you the name of that eBay seller. 1 second, hold on. Okay, the eBay seller name is Creative Edge. Or just look this knife up on eBay. Okay. Look it up on eBay and you'll see it for $25. Alrighty. Oh, and it's not a sharp blade at all. Okay, it's not a sharp blade. It feels good in the hand. Let me send it back out. It feels good in the hand, except for this part. When you squeeze tight, this part jabs up in the palm of your hand. Okay. But I got it because I like the way it looked. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.